Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
Brown hair, blue eyes. He was last seen in the corner block of Washington Avenue, downtown Pennsylvania,
down near
at
Shippensburg.
approximately 6:10 p.m. She was reported abducted by Vanessa Gutschall,
But
white female,
yeah, I was watching the
5'2",
Eagles game. This
100 pounds,
came up.
light brown hair, blue eyes, wearing sweatpants and blue hoodie. She fled the scene in a gray 2016 Volkswagen Jetta sedan bearing Pennsylvania registration KXR 3699. Anyone with information about the abduction, contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.amber.pa.gov. This has been a Amber Child Abduction Alert for Downtown Police Department.